So now that my patient is fully dilated and the baby's head is nice and low, it is time to teach her how to push. So first I explain body mechanics. You want to put your hands below your thighs close to your bum, chin to your chest, then you take a deep breath in, hold that breath and push down to your bottom like you're taking the biggest constipated poop of your life. You want to push for 8 to 10 seconds or as long as you can, and you want to push 3 times each contraction. So to help her optimize her positioning, I am putting up the stir-ups to help with her legs because sometimes you're epiduralized so you can't feel your legs, and this also saves our back as nurses. And I'm putting the head down so that she can bring herself up, as you can see. So now my beautiful patient here is pushing for as long and as hard as she can, and once she can't push any further, she releases her air. And the patient's partner can help support her head with a pillow as she pushes, provide her with a cool towel if she's getting too hot, and sips of water when she gets thirsty. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!